automat?
Now it's
okay.
full automatic, so you don't touch the pedal, or it's possible to touch up or down, and it's a semi-automatic.
Okay.
You change,
Okay.
and you don't touch the pedal after 3-4 seconds, return in automatic mode.
Okay. The same Lamborghini, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a Scuderia Formula 1 team with quarters, and inside they have a Ferrari bricks, a circuit.
Okay.
And this is historical entry, the factory in red.
Factory, yes?
Yeah.
Oh.
This part with the steel classic car, and other side is all for importers, Formula 1.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Nice sound. 8-cylinder, yes?
Exactly. With twin turbo.
Twin turbo.
They have 620 horsepower.
I like it. Okay, left, yes.
On the factory for a new electric car.
Electric?
Electric building. Like electric?
Yes. My woman is Skoda Enyaq.
Oh.
I go Lucid Air Dream Edition 1111 power. Very so much. No, I like it sound Ferrari. Very like it.
Yeah.
I little speak English.
Yes, little bit now.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. I little speak English.
Gas little bit now.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Turbo, very good. And sound.
The music.
Music, yes. Ferrari, very good.
Now up the bridge. All left.
Okay, okay. This, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Lamborghini Revuelto Hybrid. I like it, Ferrari SF19.
Wow.
Okay, okay. 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 Good place.
Yeah.
Good power place. Yes? Oh?
Yeah.
This line. Latvia, Riga. From Riga.
See?
Yes. Father from Ukraine.
Ukraine.
Yes.
Okay.
I from Latvia.
The first time being in Maranello?
Yes, yes, first time. It's my dream.
Oh, okay. Nice.
I like it, Italy.
Now take this exit.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
It's first time in Maranello, but it's not the first in Italy.
Italy two, yes, and Maranello first. Okay. Okay. Go. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Sound, music. You like it?
Yeah.
I like it too. Father like it.
This, right?
Okay.
Yes. Yes. And this is a good view of Fiorano bricks. Circuit.
Oh, yes, I see. Ah, turbo.
Yeah.
I like it. Ferrari V12.
And the V6 too, eh? 296 is a 6-cylinder, but they have good sound.
Yes, good sound. New Ferrari 296. Yes,
Yeah.
6-cylinder.
Yeah.
Very nice sound.
See. And it's very, very fast.
This place.
Oh, you don't have it. The best time to go in test drive
Yes.
is Saturday
Aha.
or Sunday.
Okay.
Because don't have traffic,
Yes.
don't have truck, and it's possible to go very fast
Yes. I understand.
for the next time.
Aha. Next time. No. Yes. Okay. Next holiday.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hi. Much car. Okay. It's day 200 kilometers.
Yeah.
Very good. Mhm. My English is very bad.
Oh no, good guy.
Crazy car. 6,000 оборот. It's very big.
Sì. Sì, sì.
Very good. This is good restaurants.
Yeah.
Ага, окей. Sound check. Okay. Stop. Так.
Push the red button. Start.
Yes.
Stop.
Okay.
Parking in automatic.
Nice. Automatic. Yes.
See, yes.
Okay.
Parking.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oops. Video next time, yes? How long? One week? Wait, video.
Video?
Yes.
This?
Yes.
No, now.
Okay. Thank you.
It's possible to see.